In the lush and mysterious jungles of a remote island, a troop of curious Japanese macaques went about their daily routines. Among them, there was an extraordinary discovery unfolding, one that would soon captivate the entire animal kingdom. It all started with a young, daring monkey named Hero. One day, while foraging for food near the water's edge, he found a peculiar-looking sweet potato. Instead of gobbling it down immediately, he hesitated, as if struck by a moment of contemplation. As if guided by an ancient wisdom, he dipped the potato in the crystal-clear stream, removing its dirt and mud coat before savoring its sweet taste. Hero's newfound practice caught the attention of a few elders in the troop. They observed him curiously, not entirely convinced of its significance. But then, something magical happened. Day after day, more and more monkeys began to imitate Hero's unique behavior. The elders, intrigued by the growing phenomenon, joined in as well. As the number of sweet potato washers reached a mysterious tipping point, the jungle seemed to come alive with whispers of an unseen force. Suddenly, a wave of change rippled through the monkey population, stretching beyond the boundaries of the island itself. Monkeys on neighboring islands, separated by vast stretches of water and impenetrable forests, inexplicably began adopting the same practice without any direct contact with the original troop. It was as if a cosmic web of shared knowledge had woven its threads through the hearts and minds of these distant creatures, connecting them in ways unimaginable. This revelation, known as the Hundredth Monkey Effect, spoke of a profound truth. It hinted at the interconnectedness of all living beings, the existence of an intangible collective consciousness that defied time and space. Scientists and mystics alike were awestruck by this revelation. The Hundredth Monkey Effect sparked a fervor of inquiry into the mysteries of the universe. It inspired grand visions of a world where ideas, knowledge, and wisdom could transcend physical boundaries, propagating like ripples in a cosmic pond. Communities were stirred, nations rumbled, and hearts soared. The concept of the Hundredth Monkey Effect echoed through the ages, challenging humanity to explore the vast realms of their minds and embrace the power of unity.